Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to do a short drawing activity with you called Yes You Can Draw a Beaver, because yes, you can draw a beaver, and today I'm going to show you how to do it in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'll be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'll be using my dry erase marker. If you're ready to get started, so am I. Let's do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is right in the center of our paper, we're going to make a big circle. This is going to be our beaver's head, so we want to be able to fit everything in there that we need to fit in there. Then, right on top, we're going to make two rainbow shapes that look like little rainbows, and those are going to be the ears of our beaver. And right inside of those little rainbows, we're going to make two more little rainbows. They're the insides of the ears. All right, then the next thing that we're going to do is probably the hardest part of this entire drawing, and that is we need to make an upside down triangle for our nose. Now, if you feel confident making an upside down triangle, go ahead and do it, a straight line across and then two lines that come to a point. Or you can turn your board upside down like I'm going to do, and I'm going to draw a regular triangle, and I'm going to draw it right in the middle of my face, and then I'm going to flip it back over. All right, so maybe you drew it upside down, maybe you flipped your board. Either way, we have a head with some ears, and we have a nose. Now we're going to make the little snout part of our beaver. So right at the tip of our upside down triangle, we're going to make a loop that comes up and touches, and another loop that comes up and touches the other tip of the nose. So it almost looks like two little circles here. Then inside those circles, we're going to give some little polka dots. These will show that our beaver has kind of little whiskers, but without us having to draw the long lines of the whiskers that take away from our face just a little bit. And then you know what beavers are known for. They're known for their very sharp teeth. So right in the middle where the nose meets, we're going to draw a straight line down and two more straight lines on each side and connect them. Those are our beaver teeth. And if you want to, you can close your mouth just a little bit like this. I usually color in this nose so that you can see it really well. And now we have our beaver's mouth. Next, we're going to draw two circles on the top for our beaver eyes and give it some little pupils. And I like to add some little eyebrows because I think that beavers have a lot to say with their faces. Believe it or not, that's the hardest part. We're almost done. Next, we're going to draw a big U for our beaver body. And inside our beaver's body, we're going to give its belly a slightly different color. So we're going to make a rainbow shape inside. So that shows that we have some fur that's one color up here and fur that's a different color down here. Next, we're going to make some little arms. So we're going to make a little line that looks kind of like a lazy L. So we're going to come out and in, and then we're going to follow that line back up. If you want to erase that little line there, you sure can. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, but we're going to have to make a backwards lazy L. So it goes out and in, and we follow it back. And again, you can erase where its arms are so that you can see where they connect. And ladies and gentlemen, we're almost there. We're going to make some little claws for its hands. I looked up some pictures and they have 1, 2, 3, 4 little bumps on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4 little bumps on each side. And next we're going to add some feet. Now, something that I was a little surprised by is that beavers kind of have webbed feet. So they have little claws that almost look like fingers, but they're connected on the inside. And so we're going to do that right here. We're going to make a line that comes out. Some little webbed feet as best as we can. And last, but certainly not least, beavers are known for their big tails. And they use those tails to communicate and to warn other beavers that there's danger coming. And they smack them on the ground. And today I'm going to draw my tail up in the air like we're a proud beaver and it's standing up behind him. So what we're going to do is, starting right above his first eyebrow, we're going to make a loop that comes down and goes all the way to its bottom. And beaver tails usually have a pattern on them that looks a lot like a checkerboard. So you were going to make stripes along the tail that go all one way, and then we're going to go the other way and make more stripes. And you can see I'm doing this a little quickly, so I'm getting out of the lines, but there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you can draw a beaver because you just did. I hope that you take some time to draw a beaver of your own. Maybe watch this video again and draw a beaver with me. If you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, click that subscribe button down here at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope you had a good time. I know I did, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.